upgraded expectations for GDP growth and inflation and cut estimates for the unemployment rate. What's your outlook for the U.S. economic in 2021?
Yeah, my view is very similar to the Fed's. I think the Fed's forecast for GDP growth, I think it was 6.5% fourth quarter of 2020 to fourth quarter of 2021. That sounds just about right to me. I think that's the kind of growth rates we should expect. The Fed's also expecting unemployment to fall. I mentioned we're over 6%, and they expect it to fall to 4.5% by the end of 2021. That's also a very reasonable forecast given all that we know and the strength of the economy that we're likely to get here in the next few months.
Finally, would you like to have some suggestions for the investors?
Well, I think for investors, it's as they say, the easy money has been made. The markets have rallied very strongly since a year ago when they bottomed out, particularly stock markets. And I think going forward, it's just going to be more difficult. Interest rates are going to be on the rise, and when interest rates are on the rise, that puts downward pressure on all asset values. And so I think for investors, it's going to be more difficult to make a high return. And they're just going to have to be more careful, cautious, and do their homework.